In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a filter in AOL. We will go step by step so you can clean up filters you no longer need. First, open your browser and search for AOL. Type AOL in the search bar and press enter. On the results page, you should see the official AOL site near the top. The link usually has AOL spelled out clearly and mentions mail or AOL mail in the small description text. Take a quick second to confirm it looks like the real AOL page so you do not end up on a random site. Once you see it, click the correct link and then click Sign In. The Sign In button is usually in the upper right corner of the AOL page. After you click it, the Sign In screen will appear where you can enter your AOL username and your password. When you finish signing in, you will land in your AOL mail area and you should see your inbox and folders on the screen. Now that you are signed in, click Settings, then More Settings. The Settings option is often found near the top right, shown as the word Settings or a small gear icon. When you click it, a small menu opens, and you will see an option labeled More Settings. Click that. The page will change to a full settings screen with a menu running down the left side and detailed options on the right. These settings control how your mail looks, behaves, and how messages are handled in the background. Next up, click the Filters tab on the left sidebar. Then locate the filter you want to remove from your list. On the left side, you will see several options such as General Settings and other categories. Look for one labeled Filters and click it. The right side of the screen will now show a list of your existing filters, usually one filter per row with its name and conditions. Scroll through this list and carefully find the exact filter you no longer want to use so you do not remove the wrong one by mistake. After that, click the Delete button or the trash can icon next to that specific filter. Then click Delete again to confirm. When you hit the Delete button, AOL shows a small confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to remove that filter. Click Delete on that prompt as well. As soon as you confirm, the filter disappears from the list and it stops affecting any future incoming messages. There is no separate Save button here. The change takes effect right away. You have now signed in to AOL, opened your mail settings, and deleted a filter you no longer need. If this helped you clear out an unwanted filter, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple AOL tips.